Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to my Cardano family. We got a lot to discuss right now. I know I've been seeing the comments coming in, so let's waste no more time and talk about what is happening with ADA today, and of course what we could be expecting as we go further into this upcoming week. Obviously not even upcoming at this point. We just entered Monday. Obviously it's Tuesday morning right now. It's past midnight here in North America, but that is beyond the point. We're going to be taking a look at what's happening. So we're starting to see some coins down right now. The reason as to why this is the case is because Bitcoin dominance did go up over the past few hours, even though it's seeing a little bit of a pullback right now in the Bitcoin dominance, but it did shoot up above 54% earlier because Bitcoin had a massive move. And yes guys, we're very close towards an all-time high for Bitcoin, as I've mentioned in several of my other videos, so that is exciting. But if we're looking at ADA to be specific, it's down about 4.6% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, with the price currently sitting at 75 cents. So what exactly is next? But if we're looking at it on the BTC comparative side, it's down about 7%. Again, that should kind of explain as to why that's the case, because Bitcoin dominance did shoot up. So that kind of explains as to why that is happening. But if we're looking at its market cap, is currently sitting at $26.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $1.5 billion. So far, not bad at all. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So I know the comments that were coming in over the past few hours, and exactly what I'm referring to is the fact that Dogecoin overtook Cardano. Yeah. Dogecoin took over Cardano's spot just a few hours ago, but we're seeing Cardano reclaiming back at the top 9 spot. But right now we're seeing a meme coin season really taking place right in front of our own eyes. So of course meme coins are absolutely crazily hyped. The FOMO is on another level. So we need to keep these factors in mind before we kind of get too worried. But Charles Hoskinson himself has come out and tweeted regarding this about 7 hours ago, when it officially did see Dogecoin taking over Cardano. So what Charles Hoskinson says is, the moment Doge flips Cardano, it's officially altcoin season, kids, and I could not agree more. We are in an altcoin season. Yes, you guys probably might be wondering, why exactly are the good projects that are not pumping? We're only seeing meme coins that are just launched out of thin air and don't really bring some use case. Why are they pumping? And the reason as to why this is the case is because there is times where we do tend to see the meme coin season overtake the actual other altcoins, and that's what we're seeing happening right now. But there's going to come a time where this meme coin profit that's being made, it's going to flow back either into Bitcoin or altcoins. And that's what a lot of people are ignoring. And I think these other strong projects will have their time. So, you really want to be patient and really taking a look at the bigger picture, because we're going to still see the gradual increase towards the upside. But what you need to realize is some of these meme coins might actually not be here maybe 5 to 10 years down the road, but some of these projects that are actually bringing real, world use case and actually trying to make blockchain a better, tech, and actually trying to make other people understand what it is going to revolutionize the space, not some of these meme coins. But again, with that said, don't underestimate meme coins as well. Meme coin market is its own thing that people want to actually have in their portfolios as well. So it's a really interesting time that we're in right now. But let's take a look at dominance. So as I've said to you guys earlier, we did see Bitcoin dominance going up to almost 55%, and you can see we are pulling down right now. Even though we're pulling down right now, we're not seeing altcoins pushing back up, because we did see Bitcoin also see a little bit of a pullback. So you can see this for yourself. Bitcoin had a flash crash down to $65,233 and bounced back up really quick. So reason as to why we did see this is because, of course, insane amounts of longs being added. So anyone that's leverage trading right now, I don't understand why, even to begin with, why you would be leverage trading. But anyone's that trying to leverage right now, there's going to be massive liquidations. And again, I would not even be surprised that Bitcoin touches $69,160, which is an all-time high, and sees a rejection, and we do see a retest down to 60K for BTC before pushing towards an all-time high even this month. Just so massive amounts of longs that are piling up right now could just be shaken out. So that's what I'm currently taking a look at, and I think that you should also So keep in mind, Bitcoin move is very, very important right now, and the next few hours are critical. But now let's take a look at ADA. What exactly is happening with ADA? So of course we did see Cardano making its way up to almost 80 cents. Didn't officially hit 80 cents. You can see this for yourself. We went up to 79.8 cents, but some exchanges were able to actually officially see that 80. But to actually see it on my charts, we actually did not see it on Binance. But that's not what we want to be taking a look at. You want to be looking at how much is the pullback right now. This might spook some people, but if you really want to put this into perspective, only a 5% pullback, guys. Only a 5% pullback after hitting a yearly high, which is totally okay. We need to see what's happening with the space. Right now you are seeing Bitcoin starting to see a little bit of manipulation occurring, longs and shorts being liquidated. If I turn it into the hourly time frame, you will see exactly what I am referring to. So 1 hour, there you go. You can see this for yourself. We did see this wick towards the downside all the way up to 65, down to 65k, and that is because of futures platform. But the way ADA is continuously holding is beautiful. Like I've said, higher highs, higher lows right now, still in this upwards trajectory since January 25th lows. If you still want to put this move into perspective, you are seeing ADA up 77.37%. And I go back to what I've said from the beginning. I think we will see ADA replicate what Solana did once it entered the 78.6. And so far, it's looking like it's doing that. Barely any sort of retracement. We are being supported by obviously key support levels, which, were resistances as we were breaking towards the upside. But still, the main target for myself remains at 90 cents. That's the next main target. After that, obviously that dollar price point. And once it's able to clear the dollar, guys, this is where I think the real fireworks will start. So far so good as of now. Obviously, we will see these corrections a little bit, but you don't want to get discouraged. That's what I wanted to let people know. You're seeing Dogecoin taking over, Cardano spot. You're taking Shiba Inu taking over a lot of other actually big project spots. You don't want to kind of get spooked about. Right now we're seeing so much momentum solely on meme coins. The meme coin category is absolutely exploding, but there will come a time where we do see that shift, and this is where your patience should not be ignored. One thing you do want to really understand, regardless of these meme coin moves, is that even though these meme coins are moving, so is the entire market. Look at it for yourself. Sure, we're not seeing these crazy gains being made, but that time will come, and when that comes, people that actually were holding are the ones that are going to enjoy. But in the meantime, guys, I strongly encourage you guys to stop doing everything and just go ahead and start making exit strategy plans, because in this market, exit strategy plan is so important. If you don't have this, I'm very confident you will be left behind, and I don't want my viewers to be left behind. It's really easy to make an exit strategy. Pick levels where you personally think you're going to be locking certain percentages of your positions, and actually follow that. Even though when we actually get to those prices, our brain tends to tell us, actually let's wait a little bit more. But no, stick to that plan. That's what you guys want to make me a promise about, because I want each and every one of you guys to lock in massive amounts of profits this bull cycle. And of course, now that ETFs are into play, Wall Street money is coming, we're talking about billions of dollars. This potentially could be the biggest bull run of our times as far as crypto goes, and we might not see a big bull run with this magnitude. And solid projects, in my opinion, are going to be the ones that are going to thrive. And so far, seems like all the ones that we have been following have been performing really good. But do let me know down below what you guys personally think. Thank you so much for all your support. We'll see you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.